I like there to be a human aspect to the things that I make. I think the work should embrace mistakes and imperfections in the process. It should be playful, it should be fun, and it should be simple. But when I put pencil to paper, I was struggling to find ways to express my ideas. On the other hand, working directly onto screen doesn't feel fulfilling to me either. I then began exploring printmaking and designing my own tools. This led to BlockFace. At its core, BlockFace is a set of modular rubber stamps. You can combine and stamp them to create symbols, letters, and entire messages. You can get guidance on how to create specific typefaces, or you can freely puzzle your way to a design that you like. Either way, you'll end up designing some really beautiful handmade pieces. From postcards, to signs, to posters, or any other kind of design you can imagine. I wanted to share the joy of making with everyone, and so I've given free access to the project. That means you can go online and download the files for the BlockFace kit and make your own for free. If you like this project, you can support it by sharing it with your friends, or you can get your hands on a professionally made kit by backing this Kickstarter. Thanks.